Now we're going to start talking about how to use Tableau. And so I want this to just be a quick introduction about how to open Tableau, connect to a file, and Tableau hopefully is going to be a lot of fun to use, and in coming weeks we'll see how to do a lot more. And what we do in this class is really just scratching the surface of things that you can do in Tableau, and so hopefully you use the things that we learned to go forth and do all sorts of fun things creating visualizations in Tableau. So once you open Tableau, this is Tableau Desktop, and you should be able to download and activate this using the product key for our class that's on Canvas. You should be able to access this totally free in our class. And so once we're here, we want to connect to a file. In general, you can connect to different types of files. Often we will either connect to an Excel file or something like a CSV file. So if we're connecting to an Excel file, we'll tell it that we're connecting to Microsoft Excel. And if it's a CSV or something like that, we'll click down here and say more. In general, know that you can also connect to a server, so there are options down here, and so in future jobs you might need to do things other than just connecting to a file. But let's say I want to connect to an Excel file. I'll click on Microsoft Excel, and I'll go in and choose my Excel file that I want to connect to. And so maybe I'll go into Downloads, let's see, and here I have this new house sales US. I'm going to connect to this file. And sometimes this Use Data Interpreter box might show up that will clean things up a little bit, and that can be helpful. And then we can choose one of these tables, and I'm just going to randomly pick one and drop it over. And now we've connected to a file, and you can see a little bit of this file over on the bottom right. And then you're ready to go into a worksheet and start creating visualizations. And so in the next video, we'll see how to create some different visualizations and some cool features in Tableau. And so, like I said, this week, you're just gonna practice some things, making some visualizations, seeing some of the things that Tableau can do. And something that I recommend in general, when you're watching these videos, it can be helpful if you kind of move me off to the side, move the video off to the side, and work along with the instructions that I'm giving you. It can be really helpful to do them along with me instead of just watching the video and not working in Tableau. And so I recommend moving the video to the side, opening Tableau and following along in Tableau, or if you have a phone or something that you can play the video on and follow along working through these activities in Tableau, that can be really helpful as well. And so I hope you have fun. Get started watching those videos, creating visualizations, and next week we'll see how to do a lot more in Tableau to give you more tools to play around with creating visualizations.